All right, traders, so it has been a while since I've been able to take a trade in the futures market. So I definitely have a low frequency, high success strategy, and I only take one trade to the long side. And then if a short setup happens, I'll take one trade to the short side. But I don't, my setup doesn't allow me to take multiple hits to the same direction. So I got to wait till it alternates. So right now we're in the futures strategy with the sniper setup. So right now, so far, everything is good to the long side. So our crosshairs have lined up, the wind's in the right direction, and we'll be taking a long trade here in about 1 minute if everything finishes like that. And it's a scary one because this futures market's been on a rocket ship ride, and now we're making new highs. So, we're in the MES right now, so we're making new highs again. It's like, man, when does rollover happen? Am I gonna get long here and then tomorrow's just gonna crash? Like, I feel like a crash is coming, but right now algorithm's telling me I can get in long for a small win here. So 30 seconds, we'll be back. Okay, so if this holds this level in the next 5 seconds, I'm gonna click the buy button. 3, 2, 1, held, buy. All right, so we are slowly getting in. All right, so we're in. All right, cool. All right, so we'll mark it up, and then yeah, we'll see how this thing does. All right, so the strategy calls for once it crosses 50% or hits 50%, once it crosses that, to move my stop to break even plus a couple bucks to cover commissions. So here's the thing, it's 2 a.m. right now, and I want to be able to hit the bed so I can get up early and day trade at 9:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit the bed. This is like maybe $1 off, not even $1 off that 50% mark. I mean, it's so close. This candle's not going to close for another hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that, 2.5 hours actually. So I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to just above break even now, and go to bed. And if I end up getting bounced out break even plus a couple bucks and I miss a trade, then it is what it is and miss a trade. We're going to go ahead and move that up here right now. So at 31.50, 32.50. All right, so that basically covers commissions. 33. All right, so we're in at 152. All right, cool. So we got commissions covered plus a couple bucks to put in my pocket. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Is what it is. We either get stopped out for a couple bucks profit, or we end up making our full profit. Either way, green trade, which is nice. Just from a psychological standpoint, it's nice to have green trades. From an account standpoint, it's not as great because if this does pull back before rallying up, then I miss out on a winner, which I could use to pay for my next loser. So that part's not great, but is what it is. It's late. I'm gonna crash, and I believe this is gonna hit 50% of the way. Now, if we were still down in here, then I would just leave everything as is, and then go to bed and see what happens in a few hours, 5 hours, whatever. But because it's pretty much just about touched 50% of the way, I'm going to go ahead and move that stop. All right, everybody, we'll see you in the morning. We'll see how this thing turns out. All right, traders, so you can see here we hit our target. I left my stop there overnight, woke up this morning to the target hit, taking our profit, and moving on. So we'll wait for another setup. So now I got to wait for a short setup to take place before I jump back in this, and then we'll be able to take another trade. At least on the with the sniper strategy, if my red light green light sets up, then we'll take a trade in red light green light. But right now we got nothing setting up. So yep, that'll be it for today with the futures. Hopefully we'll get another one in here this week. All right, see ya. We'll move over to day trading now.